This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by locking in awake time and treating it as non-negotiable. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once done, get direct bright light. Outside sunlight is best, within 30 minutes to signal daytime. You should also stop naps over 20 minutes and eliminate caffeine after 2 p.m. so sleep pressure builds. Make sure to prepare your evening. Dim lights and put screens away 60-90 minutes before bedtime. These first steps force your body's clock to begin shifting immediately. You now focus on reinforcing cues that tell your brain when to sleep and wake. If you must change sleep offset, move bedtime by 15-30 minutes per night rather than large jumps. This prevents rebound insomnia. Once done, create a repeatable wind-down routine, dim lights, cool the room, and choose low-stimulation activities to strengthen the association with sleep. Make sure to schedule exercise in the morning or afternoon, and avoid intense workouts within 3 hours of bedtime to prevent elevated. You complete the reset by monitoring progress for at least 7-14 days and tightening routines where needed. Keep the wake time consistent and fine-tune light exposure and evening habits. Once done, restrict the bed to sleep and sex only so the bedroom remains a cue for sleep. If sleep still doesn't consolidate, make sure to consult a clinician. Troubleshooting tip. If you lie awake over 20 minutes, get up and do a quiet activity under dim light. Return only when sleepy to avoid strengthening wakefulness in bed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.